In a previous video, I showed you how to be able to get some Ethena on Binance Launchpool. And in that one, I actually got 31 ENA. At the current price of 1.1, it's about another $33 that I was able to get just by staking on Binance Launchpool. Even before we could hold our breath, there's a new one that is just about to come, and it's called SAGA. And I want to show you how to be able to take advantage of this and get some tokens. As we speak, as I'm doing this video, I already have about 3.2 SAGA. If it does $1, that's about 3.2. If it does $2, that's around $6. That's free money. And I want you to get this as well, because we have about 2 days left. And these things are extremely time sensitive, but I want to show you the whole process from start to end so that you can get some SAGA tokens. Let's get those credits rolling. The first thing you need to do in order to get any single Launchpool tokens is you need to have some FDUSD or BNB. Now, the advantage of using these tokens is that even during a Launchpool, you haven't technically locked your money. You have just provided liquidity, but it's flexible liquidity. So that means that you can be able to take out any money that you want to do anytime. But in the meantime, this actually makes you money, more money than you would have gotten if you had money in the bank or just leaving it on your spot wallet or even in the earn wallet sometimes. Some of these tokens really go really high. For instance, the one before Ethena was called ETHFI, and it went all the way to $8, and I had 11 of them. So that's about $88 just from 4 or 5 days of just putting your money in a Launchpool so that you provide that liquidity. So the first thing that you need to do is go to your home page. We are on our phone, and then you will need to scroll in the middle here, scroll where it says new listings. Now I know you can actually find it under Launchpad, but I prefer to use new listings because anytime a new token comes, and my homepage usually is on new listings, immediately when it comes up, I will be able to see it. Now, the typical way that this happens is before a token launches and the announcement has just been done, you will notice a new listing there and see it saying warming up. So what I do in order to have this 3.2 within a day or 2 days, I make sure that my tokens are already there by the time it is starting. So in the warming up period, I've put in my FDUSD or my BNB immediately. But here I want to show you how to make this happen. So you'll buy your USDT or you'll buy BNB under P2P to be able to fund your wallet. Then the next step will be going to the middle here, click on trade, and then you click on convert. If you have your USDT here, so I'll click on USDT, and then I can be able to convert it to FDUSD. Then the amount that you have here, you'll be able to transfer to FDUSD. Or if you don't want FDUSD and you want BNB, you'll just click on BNB and be able to actually do that. So what we'll do is, because I have some little money here, just go on convert, then click on USDT, and I want to be able to do FDUSD, and I'll put in about 100 of them. Actually, I want 100 FDUSD, and then I'll click on preview conversion. This is money that I've gotten from your finding wallet, and then I bring it here, click on convert, and that's converted, so it's no fees. Then I come back USDT, then also I want some BNB, then I'll just put max here, and that will give me about 0.5 BNB, and then I'll put preview conversion and click on convert. That will convert, no fees as well. Then we'll go back. At the bottom, just see it says trade. I'll click on home. Once I've clicked on home, now I have SAGA Launchpool. And I want you to be able to see what potential is here. So the first thing is there are 45 million SAGA that are going to be given out in the token rewards. It's blinking and says about 0.17 that I need to harvest, but I'll show you that just in a minute. So what we'll do now, it shows you it is farming. So I'll click on FDUSD, and then it brings us to the pools. The stake that I have is really small, but I can actually stake what I've just put on my spot wallet, the 0.5. So I'll click on stake, and then here the spot balance is 0.5. All I just need to do is click on max, click on stake. The next thing I do here under FDUSD, I'll click on stake again, and then I can put in my 100 FDUSD and click to stake. At the time that you think you need the money, so this is what some people ask in the comments, and I've seen it in one or two of the previous videos. If you want to redeem your money to stop farming, all you just need to do is click on redeem, and then it tells you your BNB will be returned back to your spot account from your Launchpool account, and then this is, you just click on max and you can redeem. However, if you just leave it here and you don't redeem it before the launch date, which is happening on the 9th, this money will be transferred automatically when the farming period ends. And the farming period is going to end on the 8th to the 9th. So probably, let me just check this. It will actually be in 2 days and 6 hours, which is about 3 a.m. on 9. So that is what will happen. So let me just go back here. I can be able to just see all the money that I will be making. So it shows you the stake that you've put in and the number of participants and the total staked and how much you are making. When the farming ends, all your SAGA tokens will be credited to your spot wallet. But if you want to redeem some of it, the SAGA token, straight to the spot wallet, all you just need to do is come and click on pending harvest. That's what I'm clicking on now. And I can be able to see the tokens I've already received and they are claimed ones just at the bottom. So I'll just click on harvest all. That is already harvested. So I already have about 3.4. So I want to show you on the wallet where it will actually be. So just do that. Then you can actually see the crypto saga here is 3.4. Now the value that will show here, of course, is 0 because it is not yet listed. Now on the 9th, what will happen is just about 2 hours to the trading, you will be able to see the different pairs. So you'll see SAGA stroke USDT, you'll see SAGA stroke FDUSD, stroke BTC, and stroke BNB. Those are usually the first 4 that every token has. Now you will need to wait until the timer goes to 0. That's when the token will go live. And all you need to do when that happens is click on trade, and you'll be able to just do it on spot, or you can go to convert. But I prefer spot because you can be able to take advantage of the price hike that is happening in the first few minutes. What I actually did for the ENA, because I knew the token itself was a synthetic dollar, I actually waited because it launched at 0.5. I waited for the token to get to about $1. Right now, it's about 1.1. So you can actually be able to make some money when it oscillates there. Because ENA right now is doing 0.9 to about 1.1. It went to 1.3. And that is possible for SAGA as well. Now, this is up to you when you decide to sell. But these are the things that I look at, especially in the first 5-10 minutes whenever a token launches. Just check what potential it has. Typically, what these tokens do is that they launch with about a market cap of about 500 million. Now, these are the things that I check to be able to know what the price could be when it launches. So the first thing that I check here is under detailed rules. Let me just go under detailed rules, and then I'll be able to see the maximum token supply is going to be 1 billion SAGA. However, what is going to launch immediately is 90 million SAGA. Now, with about $500 million in market cap, that tells me that this could get to about $4 or $5. That's from my own personal analysis. This is not financial advice. This is from my just looking at the token. So it could be around $4, $5. It can go up, it can be lower because this is a new token. You never know what will happen. And then you need to also know that it will be listed and have the seed tag, meaning it's highly volatile. So you can sell some when it launches, Wait a little just to see the price action, and you can be able to get some free tokens called SAGA, Crypto SAGA token. Now, if you want to watch more crypto tutorials about Binance, check this playlist that is showing up here, and I'll see you in the next one.